Welcome to Crimson Guitars and welcome to, well, the next stage in my journey of insanity and craziness. A bunch of you have probably seen a video I made recently talking about my mental health and burnout and that whole journey, and I'm not going to go back into that this time. But part of the healing process, especially if you are me or somebody like me, ADHD, etc., is you need a project. And, well, initially, that project is moving house and boxes everywhere and all of that chaos and carnage. Well, part of that process, at least, is taking on far more than is humanly advisable. But, well, there's a method to my madness. I'm moving forward. And I'm doing something I've wanted to do for a hell of a long time. And not only did I rent a house to live in for myself and the kids, well, when the letting agent showed me around, it was to view the 3-bed, which is within budget, just. And he said, Ben, I know you. You need to see the 4-bed. The 4-bed is 3 stories. It's a 3-story, 230-year-old townhouse. We'll go down there in a second. And the second I saw this kitchen, I was thinking, hey, there's something to be done here. This is fun. But it's upstairs that we start to have some serious fun. And obviously, this is all in the process of being worked on. This is bedroom number 1, ensuite, storage, etc., shower and all that crap, of course. And my first and immediate thought, and I went quiet while talking to Leon, was, oh my gosh, I have guitar building students. A nice place to stay when they're on the guitar building course with us. This is actually the smallest room and it's still a very big double. And that's their bathroom. And then the 3rd floor. Exercise. Again, same size. This one's got 3 built-in wardrobes. What the hell? I talked to Leon and I said, hey mate, tell you what, I'll take both of them. Let's try and do a deal. The 4th room, ensuite again, wardrobes, massive double bedroom, beautiful views. And there we are. I have for years wanted to have a house that my students could live in when they're doing a guitar building course that isn't just a bed set or a crappy Airbnb or sharing a room with somebody, but is in and of itself a part of the experience. We'll also be sorting out transport for the students to Crimson Guitars headquarters. So, yeah, it's going to be good. Guitar styling. This is the living room. Now, initially my thought, hey, I like that mirror. Initially my thought here was to have this as a home studio, a home workshop, yet another workshop. I'm going to turn this main room into an incredible home cinema, multimedia experience, where I'm going to start doing a weekly live stream Q&A about guitar building with an audience. I am hoping to get guests involved. I'm hoping to get interesting people down to talk about stuff. And it is going to be absolutely incredible. In the short term, I need to obviously decorate and sort all of these rooms out and stuff. If you've got a course booked at Crimson Guitars, drop us an email, accommodation@crimsonguitars.com. and we'll talk. But the end result is that this is going to be a special place. It's my place, and well, when it's up and running, which is going to have to be soon, I'll show you around a little bit more. I'm imagining something supremely cool. What would you do with this space in the context of my life? Let me know in the comments below. To go back to the my development, my life and all that jazz right now, everything is starting to look up. Your support after the last video was absolutely mind-blowing. There is no way I could reply or respond to all of the positivity and all the comments and messages, etc. I'm overwhelmed, and then I get flooded with messages. It's great. But, you know, I really, really do appreciate your support and good wishes. So there you have it. 4 individual apartments, all with their own bathrooms. I know this is important. A shared kitchen. Spend as much or as little time as you want with the other students. You're within a 30-second walk of Sherborne with all of the pubs and restaurants and all of that jazz possible. And I'm sounding like somebody advertising an Airbnb, because I suppose I am. A rock and roll Airbnb. Bring it on. Lots of light switches. Thanks for watching. I'm sorry this isn't a guitar build. There will be more of that, a lot more of that, coming soon. Yeah, catch you on the flip side. Goodbye.